Hello everyone, I'm Pedro, and today I'm bringing you the biggest updates that we have had since the beginning of the year. As we want to give you a better experience when you are creating your emails, we have released an AI subject line generator that will assist you in creating the hook that makes people open their emails. Now, whenever you start creating an email, you'll be able to type a few keywords, select an industry, and voila! You'll have 5 optimized subject line suggestions at your doorstep. Not only that, but we are on the verge to release full AI-powered emails. You definitely don't want to miss that one. In addition, we have updated the color schemes in our chat so that it will allow you to communicate with your customers while remaining within your brand colors. So this will provide better brand awareness for you. Not only that, but we have updated our mobile app to include a little notification that will mention the performance of your newsletter so that you can stay on top of it in a very easy manner. We have also updated the experience while you are within the app so that you will see better performance. Lastly, we have updated our pop-ups and they will work with e-commerce events, and this simply means that when someone is watching a product or a certain category, you can display a pop-up that will include a promo code, for example, or to suggest a similar product. And that's all for today, and remember, AI is here to stay. I'll see you in the next video.